Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Skydive Australia.
Thank you.
How are you feeling today?
Good.
Good?
All good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
We're about to go tandem skydiving. Have you done that before?
Never.
Never. First time?
Yes.
Any special occasion while you're here?
No, just vacations.
Alright, sounds good to me. High five, let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay, we are back on the ground. Congratulations on your skydive.
Thank you very much. That was amazing.
What was your favourite part? The free fall or underneath the parachute?
The free fall into the clouds. That was awesome. It looked great as well.
Yeah. Thank you for joining us, Skydive Australia. Hopefully we see you back.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
No worries.